Trying to export your video in CapCut but it's stuck or failing? Don't worry. In this video, I will show you 10 easy fixes to solve the CapCut export problem on PC fast and effectively. Let's get started. Fix 1. Check storage space. First, make sure your PC has enough storage. If the drive where you're exporting is full, CapCut might fail. Try exporting to a different drive or free up some space. Fix 2. Restart CapCut and PC. A simple restart can fix many software glitches. Close CapCut, restart your PC, and then try exporting again. Fix 3. Update CapCut. Using an outdated version, go to the official CapCut website or Microsoft Store and check for updates. Updating often fixes bugs and causing export issues. Fix 4. Lower export settings. If your settings are too high, your PC might struggle. Try reducing the resolution to 1080p, lowering the frame rate to 30 fps, or decreasing the bitrate. Fix 5. Disable hardware acceleration. Hardware acceleration can sometimes cause export failures, so let's disable it. Open CapCut and go to the menu, then select Settings. Navigate to Performance tab, look for Hardware Acceleration option, and turn it off. Click Save. Try exporting your video again and see if the problem is fixed. Fix 6. Clear CapCut cache. CapCut stores temporary files that can slow down exports. To fix this, go to CapCut Settings, find Cache, and click Clear Cache. Fix 7. Check for audio issues. If your video won't export, the audio might be the problem. Corrupted or unsupported audio files can cause export failures. Try removing the audio and exporting again. If that works, replace the audio with a standard MP3 or WAV file. Fix 8. High quality editing issues. If you're using too many effects, layers, or high resolution assets, CapCut may struggle to export. Try simplifying your edits by reducing overlays, transitions, and animations to see if that helps. Fix 9. Run CapCut as administrator. Right-click on CapCut icon, select Run as administrator, and try exporting again. If this can fix permission-related issues. Fix 10. Reinstall CapCut. If none of this work, uninstall CapCut completely, restart your PC, and reinstall the latest version from the official website. Did one of these fixes work for you? Let me know in the comments.